Did you know that less than 2% of Americans achieved a perfect FICO credit score last year? Hello, my name is Sabrina Graham, aka Mrs. Perfect Credit, and yes, I did achieve a perfect credit score. Now, it fluctuates, however, I've been able to understand the ups and downs of the credit score. Last year, I created Excelling Credit LLC to help people go from good credit to excellent credit so they can leverage it to build wealth. We are not a credit repair company. However, once the credit is fixed, you come to us and we help you to excel it. I still remember how bad my credit was, where I thought that by receiving this money, I can just pay it off whenever I wanted to. I remember Bishop T.D. Jakes talked about this year that his credit was so bad that it went down with Jonah. That's exactly what happened to my credit as well. It wasn't until that we had to get a balloon loan for our mortgage, which helped me to understand the importance of having excellent credit. Today, we offer a virtual 3-day credit challenge along with a workbook. With Winning the Pitch, I plan to use the money to launch our first annual in person 3-day credit conference to connect people with creditors, banks, wealth managers, etc., and celebrate those who have achieved excellent credit. We will also use the money to continue the sustainability of our business and get legal, accounting, and staff. Furthermore, we plan to use the money to help us with marketing, accounting, new technology, and equipment. These details are in our business plan. In return, we plan to allow you to be our major sponsor for our credit conference. Also, you'll be able to use me for speaking engagements and workshops in the future. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time that we stop feeding into the stereotype that Black people have bad credit. John Hope Bryant said that by 2050, the stats show that Black people will have a net worth of $0. We cannot let this happen. So please vote for Excelling Credit LLC so that we can help people to increase their credit and start building wealth. Thank you.